So, you want to be a YouTuber? Well, you gotta learn how to make a YouTube video, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. First off, I wanna say I am not a pro yet, but I did incorporate some of these tactics into my videos, and they skyrocket my analytics. Common YouTube mistake is people have bad audio. Your audio is number one. If you could get your audio right, you'll fix a lot of things. If I hear a video with bad audio, I instantly leave. I don't want to watch the video, it hurts my ears, and I am gone. So get that fixed. So now you got that fixed. Now let's talk about some things. So two major things that people get wrong in their videos is one, the edit. Usually when I click on a video to review to help people out, the first thing I notice is the edit. And we're gonna talk about a good edit, we're gonna talk about a bad edit, and I'm gonna tell you the differences. And having a good edit, it makes the world a difference between good content and bad content. Second thing they do wrong is not focusing on the right things. What they care about doesn't really matter. A lot of people care about having watch time. Like, watch time is important. Yeah, watch time is important, but if your content sucks, nobody go watch a 20-minute video of you in your car talk about how to go to McDonald's. What you need to focus on, good titles, good thumbnails. That's the two things that you need to focus on. And once you nail that down, then you can start focusing on watch time, audio retention, and stuff like that. But if you do my first tip, a good edit, it'll naturally come. So what is a bad edit? I'm not being mean, not being harsh, but I gotta tell you what's a bad edit.
I gotta do it, man.
First thing of a bad edit is when you take the video, you record it from your phone or anything like that, and you just upload it. There's barely no editing or very little editing, and that's bad because a lot of people don't know you and they don't care about you. They care about how you can go entertain them or how you go teach them. So you gotta condense time. You need to start trimming the fat off the videos and start delivering red hot fire all the time, and ask yourself, would I watch this if it wasn't me? Chances are, if you upload your video, you're trying to make your wife watch it and she doesn't watch it and she loves you the most, it's a bad edit. I'm not talking about first-hand experience either, so now we got that covered. Too long videos, no good. Second thing is pacing. They have bad pacing. And what is pacing? Pacing is the dump on the story, you know? Usually you want to keep your pacing very tight. You don't want to keep things for too long. For example, if you tell a joke like this, why does the chicken coop doesn't have 4 doors? Because it would be a chicken sedan. See, you notice that? I kept a couple frames longer after the joke, after the punchline hit, so it could really soak you in. If you're making a talking head video, you want to keep pacing tight. You want to keep 0 to no frames, so there's barely no hiccup. Like my videos, people don't even know I breathe because I cut it all out. I make sure it's fast, it's on pace, and the only time I give some frames is it for dramatic effect. 3? Are we on 3? I think we're on 3. Oh man. You should keep notes when you make videos. I believe we're on 3. If we're not on 3, I will send you a sloth in the mail or something like that. Something, I promise you, but you just gotta hit the like button. You hit the like button and comment, you get something in the mail. It's not having a clear structure. A clear structure is very easy. So it could be a story. If you have a vlog, you have a beginning, middle, and end. If you have a talking head video, usually how you would do it is you have a hook, something to hook people in until they go watch your video. Then it's the content, is what you're teaching them, what you're talking about, the subject on the matter, and it's the closing. And the closing is conclusion, a call to action, telling people take action, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know what I'm talking about. You watch YouTube, pick a structure and stick to it. If you're telling a story, you're telling a vlog, make sure there is a story in it. A vlog is not a series of events. All right, a vlog is usually a story, and a story is simple. It could be a mission, it could be the problem, the obstacle I have that's in front of me, and how I overcome it, and did I overcome it, yes or no, and what did I learn from it. That is a simple vlog structure that you could use every day, and you could take little minute details out of your life and make it to a vlog. So the last tip I say a lot of videos don't have is not using B-roll or not using any cutaways. So what is B-roll, you might say? Well, right now you're talking to me, you see my face, this would be the A-roll. B-roll will be anything that's not this. Like for example, if I cut away right now to a shot of me editing video in my workstation, that would be B-roll. And you'll still hear me, the audio, with just the main roll, the A roll, doing that. And you need to incorporate this. Like, I know you guys like me and all, and you like my content, but talking to me and looking at me for like a whole 5 minutes is kind of too much, okay? Okay, if you like that, also, we gotta talk, because that's kind of weird. You don't want to look at me for like a good 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 30 minutes. We gotta put B-roll in to spice it up, spice up the frame, muy caliente. You know what I'm saying? You got to use the B-roll. To sum it up, what's a good edit? A good edit should not be noticed. It should be natural. You should be like, man, this video is keeping me entertained, but I don't know why. A good edit shouldn't be noticed at all. All right, barely notice. So first thing, you gotta make sure your audio's on point. So no weird sounds, no hiccups, no burps, no popping, anything like that. If you close your eyes, you put headphones on, you'll be like, yeah, I don't even know if they change the shot or not. Let's change the scene because the audio is so crisp. Then you spice it up. You spice it up with a different shots. You want to make sure you condense time. And everybody does this. Every show on TV condense time. If you watch Shark Tank, if you watch any views with the shark bait, all right, usually they say the video recording process is about 2 to 3 hours, even 4 or 5, and they condense it down to 5 or 6 minutes. You just don't notice it because the video is seamless, and that's your goal. So condense time, cut the fat out, keep the meaty bits, keep people entertained. 3, have a good pace. Remember, I talk about you want to have quick shots to keep people entertained. Use B-roll to keep things fresh, keep things exciting, and keep everything flowing well. If you do them things, I promise your videos will jump up. It will just like, woo, it will blast off. Blast off! Like SpaceX or something? I don't know, I said something stupid. And lastly, the most crucial point you need to get from this video, anything, it is be self-aware. A lot of people think their content is fire and it says the YouTube algorithm is hurting them. They don't give it a chance to shine. It may be true that the YouTube algorithm and people just don't watch your videos and your videos is dope fire. I would say 99% of the time when people say this to me, I watch the video, even though I'm not in their niche or their target audience, I know it's bad content. You gotta be self-aware of the content you make. If your wife doesn't watch your videos and she doesn't sit there and she fiddles with things, it's probably because, bro, we make the lame videos. I don't want to tell you this, but yeah, it's a thing. That is the video, guys. I hope you guys like it. If you liked it, let me know down in the comments down below. Be sure you hit the like button by punching it and subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Later.